NOC Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So as I'm looking at the Northrop Grumman Corporation stock, I had some trouble time pronouncing this. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So even if I zoom out, you will see this is such a consistent bullish market. Well, I've made more videos than anyone else in this space, with the most proof document with 39,000 videos. So you bet I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Even with this thing in particular, let's zoom out, right? Even like in the beginning, the idea was always there. It was supposed to be bullish, right? Never kind of did that. I mean, let me show you the before. All right, there it is.
NOC Stock Prediction.
Bro, a year plus ago. It was sitting at 435, so I was aiming for 540. Not only did we deliver, I mean, I'm just looking to just double down on this beauty in a sense of, right, this is the 1 hour chart now, and only if there's that little confirmation and it actually gets met, you know, all the rules are met, then I'm looking to take it further up. If not, it's all good. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.